My name is Jaime Sanchez, and I'm the original artist who directed the mural here at New School Community Day School about 13 years ago. I was contacted by the principals of this school to do a restoration of this mural. The paint naturally goes through the cycles of rain, hot, sun, and this has deterioration on the pigmentation. It will eventually crack and peel off. And so what I had to do, the first step, is to scrape all that off, remove any loose paint. And I treated it with an etching chemical from the wall and the paint, and it comes in clear. So when it dries, the mural is still telegraphing through that primer. And so all we have to do now is to paint the mural, almost like a coloring book. And the color is still there. So we just have to match the colors and block fill in all the colors. That's gonna be the next step. I acted only as a guide. Once we had the design set, then I helped them produce a mural. I work with the students. The students generated the design. They come up with the story that's being told here, and they came up with the ways and how to design that story being told. The final step is to add texture in the form of pattern, which is very familiar with my style of art.